Okay. Hey everyone. Welcome to the third symposium on fairness of AI on medical imaging. We are really happy to be starting this for the third year already. So in this introduction, I will tell you a little bit more about the FAMI group. So who we are and what we have been doing before entering the program we have prepared for you today. So my name is Enzo Ferrante. I'm actually the vice president of the FAMI board. So this year we became a special interest group for MICAI, and we are really happy about that. This is basically the board of members, and we are also having in our group what we call the activity groups, which are some students who are also getting involved and doing and helping with a lot of activities during our in-person and also virtual events. So we are really welcoming them as well. So what is FAME mission? So why are we there? So basically, a couple of years ago, many of us gathered together thinking that our community was not really looking into the problems related to fairness that could emerge on medical imaging. And so we started this symposium and this group to create awareness about that. So we try to engage with fairness experts within and outside the MICAI community. um, and yeah, we also have a panel of advisors as well that you can check in our website, of who are also helping us shape this group and the activities we are doing along the years. So we are distributed all over in different universities and places. So this is who we are. And we have been organizing this workshop already for 2 consecutive years. In 2022, we had amazing keynotes from different speakers. Same in 2023, where we also had some invited talks in this online event. Then we also organized Mikai workshops in person. So that was the first one that was in Vancouver last year, where we had more than 20 accepted papers. It was a half-day workshop with attendance in person and also virtual, and the proceedings are available. This year, we increased the number of attendees. Actually, more than 50 people attended the workshop in Morocco, where we did the second in-person workshop. And also the proceedings are available. Actually, we also had two best paper awards, one for oral presentations and one for poster presentation. Um, and we also organized this year together with the RISE group from MICAI, a Fair Federated AI Summer School was organized online, and we had attendance from all over the world. So that was a really interesting activity. And actually, it was recorded, and you can access these videos with the classes and lectures online in our YouTube channel. So the YouTube channel is what we use to share the resources. Actually, this seminar will be posted there at some point after today, and you will be able to access the talks again. You can access previous talks, not only from the Rise Mikai Summer School, but also you can check previous symposiums as well. This year, we also members of our group. Osa Ferraren was leading this effort. We organized a tutorial at ISB, also one of the big conferences on medical imaging there in Athens, in Greece, and the material is also open for everyone to check it. In our website, you will also find a lot of different resources that we have been gathering, so that for people who are starting and want to know what to read, how to start in this important world of fairness of AI in medical imaging, there you have interesting resources we have put together for you. And actually, this year, there was an interesting book coming out that many of us here in the FAMI group were also authors of some of the chapters, but this was an effort led by Marco Lorenzi and Maria Zuluaga. Actually, Maria will be joining us also on the closing panel today. So it's an interesting book for people who want to start in these topics. And also, if you want to be updated with all the activities we are doing along the year, you can register to our newsletter. So here I'm putting the QR code so that you can scan it, or otherwise you just go to our website and you will be there having the form to register. Also this year, we are having a new initiative together with the Melba Journal. We are organizing a special issue where we are inviting papers from the FAMI workshop. So if here we have authors from the FAMI workshops that we had before, you will be invited to submit extended versions of your papers. But this is also a special issue that will be open to everyone. Every researcher who is working on fairness of AI in medical imaging will be welcome to submit. The deadline is on 31st March 2025, but we encourage you to submit your paper before if you have already been working and have material for submission. So the topics are various, but they all revolve around fairness of AI in medical imaging. So you can check more about it in our website. And yeah, that's all from the introduction. We will be starting today. We will have a first session. We will have several talks that are invited talks, and then we'll have a short break, and we will start our second session where we will have one keynote from Ronsana Daneshku from the USA, but we also will have a panel discussion with Rosana. There will be also Mercy Asiedu and Maria Zuluaga, and some of us from the FAMI group will be also there discussing topics on FAMI. So with that, I conclude this introduction. I welcome everyone here. We are really happy. Today we had more than 400 registered participants. So that was a record, I think, for our symposium. And yeah, so I think now Veronica will take over and continue with the introduction of the first speakers. Thank you.